Centaur Fuel Management, the main UK distributor for MCS products and solutions, providing complete fueling solutions. We have more than 25 years' experience working in partnership with MCS as an approved distributor.
Fuel is a major cost associated with running a generator. Sapphire generator from MCS provides a full breakdown of on-site fuel costs, giving you the information needed to reconcile and account for your total fuels consumption and storage on-site live 24/7. Sapphire generator will record and report live to our cloud. Fuel delivered to site, fuel stored in your bulk tank, the fuel burn of up to 4 generators feeding from the one bulk tank, and light vehicle refueling functionality. Sapphire generator uses real-time technology to monitor and report all activity between the bulk tank and generators, measuring fuel delivered to all generators and fuel returned to the bulk tank to calculate the exact burn rate of each generator. Burn rate reports are easily accessed through the TSM web portal. Sapphire generator has an integrated router to take advantage of 2G, 3G or 4G communication. The built-in GPS module and antenna automatically update the web portal with tracking and location services. The weatherproof heavy-duty terminal enclosure is designed to suit any environment in any country or region. The TSM Cloud software is the complete generator fluids management solution. Real-time stock control and alerts, live transactions and burn rates, fully customizable report builder. Save and automate reports for multiple recipients. View multiple tanks, sites and generators from one screen with our centralized cloud reporting. There's a full range of TSM automated reports straight to your inbox. Automated hourly, daily, weekly or monthly reports, graphs and exports sent to all areas of your business. Flexible export formats sent via email, SFTP or use our API facility. Sapphire generator is perfect for construction projects, critical applications such as hospitals and data centers, and major outdoor live events such as festivals. Sapphire generator is the complete tool to account for your total fuels consumption and storage on-site live 24/7.
Contact Centaur Fuel Management today. Alternatively, visit our website or Facebook page for further information.